Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub, and today we are going to discuss the types of DBMS, that is the types of database management system. So now there are different kind of database management system like navigational DBMS, relational DBMS, SQL DBMS, object-oriented DBMS. So there are different types of database management system. Talking about the navigational DBMS, so the first one is hierarchical DBMS. So it follows the parent-child relationship for storing the data. So hierarchical database management system basically is a top-bottom approach, is a tree-like structure which stores the data into the parent-child relationship, and it is rarely used nowadays. Its structure is like the tree, and there are nodes, so the tree-like structure it is. And the example, if we talk about hierarchical DBMS, so the Windows registry used in Windows XP is an example of the hierarchical database management system. Next, talking about the network DBMS. So the network DBMS is the type of DBMS supports many-to-many relationship. So network DBMS supports many-to-many relationship. It usually results in the complex DBMS or the complex database structures. RDM server is an example of network DBMS. Next, coming towards the relational database management system, that is the RDBMS. So it defines the database into the forms of tables. So basically the relational database management system follows the tabular formats, and the data stored here is in the form of tables, that is the row and column structure. Then RDBMS does not support many-to-many relationship. It uses predefined data types that it can support, and this is the most popular databases available in the market. If we talk about the examples of RDBMS, so MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server, etc. are the examples of relational database management system. Next, coming towards the object-oriented relational DBMS, that is OORDBMS. So this supports storage of new data types. So here we can use different type of data types, and the data to be stored in the form of objects. So in the object-oriented RDBMS, the database which is getting stored is not in the tabular format. It is actually in the form of objects. So when we are creating the ODBMS or ORDBMS, so basically we are creating the classes and the objects to create this kind of database. Like example is PostgreSQL. Then talking about what is SQL. So like always we are talking about different kind of databases, and there we follows the structured query language. So SQL is basically the structured query language and is actually the standard language for dealing with the RDBMS. So in most of the RDBMS we have to use SQL. SQL can be effectively used to insert, search, delete, update database records. It helps in optimizing and maintenance of the databases and much more. It is used by RDBMS like MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server, Sybase, and many more softwares are there for the RDBMS, but these are the most popular. The SQL syntaxes used in all these databases are similar, but like some databases use different syntaxes and even proprietary SQL syntaxes. So for this video I am keeping till here only, and I hope you are a subscriber of FameWorld Educational Hub. Stay tuned, see you in the next video, and we will be talking about NoSQL and MongoDB.